Hello teacher, I talk about the good and bad manners inside public space, comparing in our country. The product number 3, oral presentation. Introduction. In Ecuador, environmental care, which is a part of the parks, not maintain judicial power due to the deterioration and disrespect of citizens by destroying the park through urban art and the destruction of children's games. In addition, insecurity today has become the principal problem. The difference in Ecuador and other countries, good and bad manners inside public space, the public transport. In Ecuador, the seat must be given to pregnant women, the elderly, and people with some type of problem. 2. Avoid spitting, smoking, disturbing with noise, or any other activity that may disturb other passengers. 3. In Ecuador, respect for pedestrian and road things is not fully met. 4. In Ecuador, the rules of urbanity are complete, which such as collecting the feces of pets. Good and bad manners inside public space in other countries. Public transport. In Europe countries, it is forbidden to cause noise pollution which is produced by a car, which are sanctioned by means of fines. 2. Take care of urban furniture. 3. The laws are enacted not to throw garbage in public space, to respect collection street. Conclusion. The laws that promote the care of public space and proper behavior in all countries are only complied with by a percentage of citizens. Therefore, the municipalities of Ecuador set standards in which no type of urban disturbance can be caused while respecting public space, which is a civic responsibility.